Hello everybody, Dione Irwin here on a beautiful Sunday, and I'm just kind of going to surprise one of my agents. She's doing an open house here in Canals, 866 Canals Close. She's here for a little bit longer, and let me just see here. So look at this. We've got our sign, we've got our house talk sign here. Get all the info right on the lawn when you're parked in front of the house. And look at this, she's pulling all the stops out today. We got our Remax balloon out. This is cool. Let's go see. I brought her some lunch. So, got a sandwich here. And pop in. She's working hard. She's doing another open house after this too. So, okay, so here, let's just flip. Hello? Tyler.
Hi.
Hey.
Are you videoing?
We got a live video going here. Tyler and friend. We have a beautiful client here. Are you gonna buy it?
I love it so much. That
Full.
backyard is epic. Did you see it?
Yes.
It's crazy.
Yes. So look I brought you food.
Thank
You're welcome. So I was just saying how great you did with the balloon.
It's pretty nice.
Yes, the balloon. We got all the signs up, everything, right? So and you did a tour on yours, but I'm gonna do a little one on the Dione Irwin page too. So it's cute, right? It's cute, and Plush staged it. Okay, let me take my shoes off. So I will. Yes, I know. That is one of my favorite things because it's like a really good priced house, and it has a bonus room, which people like, right? It's got 2 living spaces. Totally. So I'm gonna go. Well, no, I don't have to. But I was gonna say it's got a really big yard. What else does it have? What's your favorite part, Tyler? Here, I'm gonna ask Tyler I'm gonna put her on the spot here. What's your favorite thing about it?
I think I like the layout of, especially of the upstairs, or like the master bedroom.
Yeah.
And the bonus room.
Yep.
And
You know
the
what?
kitchen's really cute. I like the colors and the granite
Yeah.
and the cabinets and.
It's got everything you need, right?
Yeah.
Some nice upgrades. And I'll show you, I'm gonna show everybody one of the favorite parts I like, and I'm not sure what it looks like down here, but it's got this side entrance, right? Yeah. The side entry, so really good for like, if you want to finish your basement, if you have like a nanny or something, nanny, teenager, whatever, they can have their own thing, right?
Exactly.
So I'm gonna do a quick little walkthrough. Do you wanna come?
Go right ahead.
Okay, so anyways, this house is pretty new on the market, and it's actually a really good size, and we just made the price even better. It just had a $10,000 price reduction. So we got a bedroom, a bathroom, we got another bedroom here. So there's 3 bedrooms up. It's really bright, and this is the part that the girls downstairs love a lot. So Tyler and Megan love this spot right here, this bonus room, and I love it too. So many bright colors, and Plush Home Staging did the staging here as well. So we love our staging. Here's the master. It's really big. It's a very big master. Lots of windows, good size closet, plus a full ensuite with the new glass doors. They put glass doors in, so. And room for a lot of furniture. This is a queen, but definitely big enough for a king. All right, so there you go. That's the upper level. And then it's got a south facing backyard. South backyard, and got the laundry here on the main. So that's good. I've got this flash on. I'm not sure why that's happening, but anyways, I'm just going to show everybody the kitchen too. And it's got granite and hardwood in here, and then it's got a nice big bright yard. So, and cozy living room, right? Okay, so, yeah, sorry, I know. Tyler, stop running. Come here, you have to come and talk to me for a second about this. Okay. There, that's better because that flash was making it weird. Okay, so anyways, thank you for coming today to do this open house. And for putting up that balloon and doing all the things. And you know you're doing another one right after.
52 reunion close.
Yes, that's the next one. So you're probably going to do a video there too, right?
I will.
Okay, good. So everybody watch. Watch Tyler doing her video. 'Cause this is a hardworking girl right here. She's doing 2 open houses today. She just gets them in, right?
Yeah,
2 in one day. Just do it, right? So anyways, happy to see you. Thank you for doing this.
Thanks for the sandwich.
You're welcome. I hope you like it.
I will.
But anyways, we're going to go now. So 866 Canoe Green. We're going to be leaving soon, but you can always call us for your private showing, and we'd love to show it to you. And this is a great house. It's actually, since we did a little price reduction, and it's even priced better. So it's a really great value for what the house is. So,
I think so too.
do you? Okay, good. Okay, so come and write an offer, people. Okay, so have a great day, everybody. We'll see you again.
Bye.
Bye.